Hello YouTube, it's Scotch down here is doing an update. Fortunately, we were unable to get much done this summer, but there is a few things being edited, but for now I'll be tearing down the 125 for the winter to give it a proper cleaning and a few upgrades, which include new brakes, plastic, new levers, powder coating the frame. Pretty much everything is getting a going over and whatnot. We are going to continue filming in the process and keep you updated with progress of everything. There will be some live film, but just going to do some time lapse, and that's what you're going to get. Take her easy and run her like a chainsaw.